Hi, welcome back. Today I'm going to be talking about simplifying algebraic expressions. We must be able to use various properties of multiplication in order to simplify algebraic expressions. So as a way to begin, I'm going to talk about the associative property. The associative property of multiplication states that if we multiply two numbers, a and b, and multiply the result by another number, c, that this is the same as multiplying the number a by the result of multiplying the two numbers b and c. So changing the order by which we multiply different numbers in a sum does not change the answer that we end up with. The distributive property is a very important property since it shows us how to multiply a number or a variable by some brackets containing multiple terms. Here, we want to multiply a by b plus c. This property states that this is equal to a multiplied by b plus a multiplied by c. So what the distributive property states is that if we multiply a number a by a bracket containing multiple terms, such as b, c, d, etc., we must multiply a by each term inside the brackets. Depending on the signs of each term within the brackets, we will end up with different signs in our answer. So for example, if we were multiplying a by b minus c, we would end up with a multiplied by b minus a multiplied by c. Now, instead of having just a being multiplied by b plus c, we are now multiplying a plus b by c plus d. So in this case, we must multiply a by c plus d, and then multiply b by c plus d. Since all of the signs are positive, we then must add a multiplied by c plus d with b multiplied by c plus d. The way in which we use the distributive property is drawn in by the arrows as shown. You can clearly see that a multiplied by c plus d plus b multiplied by c plus d is equal to ac plus ad plus bc plus bd. So by following the arrows, we make sure that we do not miss any terms when multiplying out our brackets. So for our first example, we are asked to simplify 2 multiplied by 3x plus 6 minus 3 multiplied by x minus 10. Straight away, we can see that we must use the distributive property since we are multiplying numbers by brackets containing multiple terms. So to begin, we multiply 2 by 3x and 2 by 6. All of these numbers have positive signs, so we must add them both together. Now we multiply minus 3 by x and minus 3 by minus 10. This simplifies to 6x plus 12 minus 3x plus 30. Now at this point in the video, if you're getting confused by the different signs, it would be worthwhile to go back to my video on integers where I talk about how to multiply numbers which have the same signs and which have opposite signs. We can rearrange our sum to have x's on one side and numbers on the other. So we end up with 6x minus 3x plus 12 plus 30. Simplifying by adding and subtracting, this leaves us with 3x plus 42. So for our next example, we are asked to simplify 2x plus 2 multiplied by xy squared plus 3. Again, we must use the distributive property. So here we multiply 2x by xy squared plus 3 and add this to 2 multiplied by xy squared plus 3. Again, we must use the distributive property since we are multiplying numbers by brackets containing multiple terms. So now we multiply 2x by xy squared and add this to 2x multiplied by 3. So then for the second term of the expression, we multiply 2 by xy squared and add this to 2 multiplied by 3. We can now simplify this as 2x squared y squared plus 6x plus 2xy squared plus 6. We can then rearrange our expression to be left with 2x squared y squared plus 2xy squared plus 6x plus 6. For the final example, we are asked to simplify x plus 2y squared and evaluate it when x is equal to 3 and y is equal to minus 2. So anything squared is the same as multiplying it by itself. So x plus 2y squared is equal to x plus 2y multiplied by x plus 2y. We can now simplify this using our distributive property. So we multiply x by x and x by 2y, 2y by x, and 2y by 2y. These are all added together since all of the numbers inside the two brackets are positive. X by x is x squared, x by 2y is 2xy, 2y by x is 2xy, and 2y by 2y is 4y squared. We can add 2xy and 2xy and we get 4xy. And then rearranging our expression, we are left with x squared plus 4y squared plus 4xy. Now we were asked to evaluate the expression when x is equal to 3 and y is equal to minus 2. So substituting our known variables into our expression, we are left with 3 squared plus 4 multiplied by minus 2 squared plus 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by minus 2. This simplifies to 9 plus 4 multiplied by 4 plus 4 multiplied by minus 6, which again simplifies to 9 plus 16 minus 24. 9 plus 16 is 25, and 25 minus 24 is equal to 1. Thanks for watching this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.